because he is a master of licking. Seriously.
Seriously?
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. We have to be thankful to the one above, God, that we woke up this morning, and the sun is bright and gives us strength, give us vitamins. It's a nice morning. It's very thankful. We're so blessed, guys, that we're still here healthy. We woke up every morning and very healthy. Yeah. So I'm just trying to open my laptop. I'm wearing this. This is comfortable, very comfortable. It's so big on me, but it's okay. Whatever. I just stay at the house anyway. It's very comfortable. It's freezing every time I get up. There's a lot of stink bug, guys. Like I woke up early this morning, stink bug in my laptop. Like because we don't sell the Yarik and the basement yet. The basement is not done yet, so stink bug can get in. Not a lot, but like you can see that here and there. It is kind of annoying because, well, at least the stink bug won't fly really fast. They're kind of a slow bug. They're very slow. Like they don't move faster. They look very slow. So I killed a lot of stink bug and put in, and then I just drain it to the toilet. And I have problem. I told you I have this problem. My knee. My knee is painful. I can feel the joint. It's very painful. And in the daytime, I don't feel that because I've been walking. I've been moving my leg. But nighttime, every time I stretch, and then I do like that again, it is painful. Relax muna, guys. Oh my god, I look so haggard. It is very tiring. My hair, my shoulder, my hips, because I have to like every time I'm painting the, why my nose is so big right now. Yeah, it's been big like this. I want it so long. I want my nose long. Anyway, so my hips, my shoulder, my arm is hurt. Been hurt because I'm listening some music. I'm doing it myself. It's really, really hard. I don't know when we can move in here. It's gonna be long because my husband have a lot of plan. I just get out from shower, but my husband's still not here. I expect him to already be here before I get out from shower. But he's not here. I don't know what's going on. Tape here. This is done anywhere here, so I'm gonna tape. It's dry already, so I think it's ready to put tape in it. Yeah, it's dry. This is what he put in the driveway, guys. This one here. And it's light up every daytime, nighttime. And it's collecting energy because of the sun. And God. So now what?
You gave me the wrong one.
You give me the wrong one. They give
No,
you
he
the
gave me the wrong one. Oh no, it works. It's just thicker on one side. Okay. Because see how big the pipe is on this side? But the inside is the same, so that's okay.
I'm trying to do the freaking thing, guys. Very dark in here. I showed you it's leaking. What he did the other time, Monday, Tuesday, leaks, guys. Water everywhere. So now we have to redo it because he is a master of leaking.
Huh?
Master of leaking. Leaking. Honey, it's two different kind of leaking, okay? Lick, tang, tang. This one is drip, drip, drip. Drip your tongue. Right, my love? Oi, oi, my love. Oi, oi, oi. Look at me. Look at me, big boy. Look at me, Guapito. Hi, baby. Hello. Hello. Hello, baby. Look at me. Look at me, baby. Oh my God. He's so guapito na. Guapita, guapito. Guapita, guapita. Guapi, guapita, tata. And then we left, careful, we left the Yay, my plan works. I told you that. Oh, there's more over here. My plan works. She told you I'm very talented and smart, hon. What? Told you. I told ya. I told ya. I told ya. Oh. He's looking for the pipe. I put the pipe in here. That tube is belong inside in this one. And
You hold the glass tube while I put this thing on.
okay, hold that
I
properly
got this.
first.
You hold this.
Okay, we're so afraid to break this one because this is the one that will protect us. This tube. He always scares me when it comes to electric and water.
Fine. Scares you when it comes to everything. Tell them the truth. Everything. Everything scares you. Everything.
What?
Wind, rain, cats, dogs.
Seriously?
Seriously?
Even the cats and dogs. Now you're making that up.
Well, before you got them.
Yeah, I'm not afraid. I'm afraid of big dog. I run away, but I don't know the dog. Yeah, I will run.
That's for back flush and the water tank goes here. Can't go down, goes up.
Middle is closed. This is closed. That won't go down back here.
If it's in the direction of the pipe it's on,
Yeah.
it's open. If it's in opposite direction, it's closed. Like this is closed. If it's pointing in the same direction of the pipe, that means it's open.
Okay, hold on.
It's supposed to be closed.
So this one, it go the
Supposed to be
same with the
open.
direction with the pipe.
Right, so
It's
that one's
on.
open.
Open. So this one is separate.
Closed.
It's the other. Okay, it's closed because it's
That
not
one's
going
closed.
straight. Okay.
That one's closed. Right now, the only one that's open,
Yeah. It's that one.
that one.
And this one.
And that one.
That's it.
Yep.
So what is this? Is this on?
That's for the motor for the pump.
Okay. This basement, there's a lot of bugs. Look in the window. This is the sliding door. It's a nice thing. Thinking how we can design this basement, guys. I know what's in my head, but I have to.
Stay down here and film if it leaks while I run the water upstairs.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Is stay here.
Why?
So now what? You want me to stay here and run? Okay, run the faucet. Do the faucet upstairs and
Hopefully you just hear everything come on from the run of the water. Just on here and pump and move.
Let's see if it won't leak. I hope won't leak. My husband got me a flower. Hee hanging flower, very pretty. Right, big boy?
Yep. Called some kind of petunia.
Huh?
A Cascadian petunia.
Look, she kept
Oh,
looking.
she's turning around and looking to the back while she's driving.
It's a guy long here.
Wherever it is, it's an accident looking to hug her.
See the guy that was in front of me last night?
What was he doing?
I'm just going to edit some videos, guys, because I really need to do that. I have few videos here, but I can't edit.
Drunk or drugged out?
Right by Compton stop.
Oh, the cop didn't stop him.